Let's look at some examples you can utilize in your industrial control environment. Espionage-focused malware such as Havox and Black Energy have been employed to infiltrate ICS networks and gather critical intelligence about operational capabilities. By simulating realistic cybersecurity incidents, these exercises provide teams with the practical experience needed to handle real-world threats without the real-world risks. An example of a realistic pen test could involve testing the security of network access controls between IT and ICS OT networks. This is an important access path to fully understand, as nearly half of all ICS threats originate from IT networks. In conclusion, these industrial exercises are crucial for strengthening organizational defenses against cyber threats in all ICS OT sectors.